Alright, so this is the second video of the BOR strategy on this channel. On the previous video, I raised $51 to 113, and in today's video, I'm trying to improve starting from $3.98 to at least 200 using the BOR strategy. The position might close anytime soon because the margin is now red. You see, it's already closed. So according to my analysis and according to the strategy, it must buy hard all the way up.
A few moments later.
Alright, so a few minutes after entering Bitcoin 51S, there was a small retracement and one of my trades was closed. Remember, I had 3% and one of the trade was closed, and as soon as I ended, the market made an impulse move going all the way up. Okay, so the secret behind this type of trading is very simple, because what you need to know and what you have to master is the candlestick formation. Okay, so the BOR stands for bearish open rejection or the bullish open rejection. Note that these are type of candlesticks which are formed when the market is going up or when the market is going down, but there are secrets on how to trade them. Okay, so I'm going to drop a full video of how exactly you can trade using the bearish or the bullish candlestick strategy. Anyways, long story short, I started on $3.98. Right now I am $18. Okay, so looking at V75 1 is 5 minutes time frame, there is a bearish candlestick with high momentum, but at the same time there is a bearish open rejection, which means that the market has failed to break below that level. Okay, that's why I bought, and you can see my position ended so many positions because I'm 100% sure and I'm confident with the setup. This pair must buy all the way up. And remember, I started on $3.98 and right now I am on $34. Okay. Alright, so I closed on $46.18, and right now I just need one trade to take me from $46 to at least 200 plus.
Moments later.
So these are the final results from $3.98, and note that this signal of volatility 50 was sent in my Telegram channel. Okay, so if you don't want to miss any setup or signal in the future, you better join my Telegram channel. Okay, on the next video, that's when I'm going to do a full tutorial with further and proper explanation on how exactly does the candlestick this candlestick strategy works. The BOR, note that the BOR stands for bullish open rejection or bearish open rejection. I'm going to show you how to take sniper entries with small accounts So if you are that type of a trader who don't have capital, you better subscribe to this channel, because this is your time and this is your chance to grow your small accounts. Okay, so see you on my next video.